Whoa. Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. So start with the auto again with another awesome video. So right now I'm pushing over to what you call it, Walmart, because I'm gonna drop in some oil for the Hyundai Sonata 2015. So I'm gonna go right away with synthetic oil, one shot deal, and I should be getting the filter too. So it's something that I gotta be wary about, that I got any filter and oil. So I'm gonna go get that right now, right? And once I get there, I'm gonna come back. It's kind of cold. I did all this job in this cold weather, so I'm gonna go again and try to finish it, to start up the car, to make sure everything goes well. And tomorrow morning I'll head up to the DMV, so I could just I'm gonna head out right away to the for inspection. Once the car is nice and beauty, then I'll get the plates. So I hope everything is great. I'm gonna cross my fingers because I never done this job ever in my life. It's my first time, and actually I have only one one piston bearing rod bad. So I check on the crankshaft, on the shaft. The shaft was awesome, so I don't have to deal with that. So now I'm going to the to Walmart, because I know oil over there is cheaper, and I should get the cheapest oil there is. But if already we're gonna be dealing with the type of car, I'm gonna waste that $52 on it. So ustedes saben, stay chilling. You gotta see how the bearing were, man. It was like pretty bad. It was destroyed, but there was like flat. It's crazy. It was just unbelievable how this thing goes flattening bad. So I was just scared, because I thought those bearings supposed to come in like larger. So I gotta be careful, because now it's kind of weird. Yeah, but actually it fit into the thing. Or wait, see, I gotta check, because the other one looked like crazy mega flat. So I gotta check on that. So I'm gonna be leading you guys to watching this beautiful drive, because I'm not supposed to be driving in togging. I mean, like, pay attention to the phone. So there we go. You're gonna go ahead, do that, come back, install it in, and you guys will see what's going on. So stay tuned for you guys to see it. It's gonna be an awesome mega. Oh, the Camry, it was a no today because I have sluggish. Basically it was oil cooling, so I gotta go what you call it, do the head gas, no, not the head gasket, the block on the Toyota Camry, which is crazy inside. And I spent so much hours in fixing and reviving this vehicle and all that, to have that stuff coming in. Woo, surprise. But whatever, it is what it is. I'm gonna go keep forward into this, and I hope I could get this 2008 Camry on the street again. So stay tuned. I always say stay tuned. I hate when I say that. So stay tuned, and see you guys later. Da, 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 da. Traffic. So imagine I wouldn't take that car to the dealership, and the dealer wouldn't give me a brand new motor. But I don't want to go and spend $400 on just whatchamacallit, so just so they just see it. My God, I'm sorry about my mumbling. It's just my transcript, English to Spanish in my head. It got me crazy. Right, I gotta call. My wife is coming to pick me up, so I hope she should be here 6:30. So she got like 30 minutes more. I hope that when she gets here, I already finished with all things that I gotta do. Because I still gotta do a few things. I still got oil pan. Learned a bunch of stuff. It was a hell of a day today, actually. I'm nervous. I'm excited. I don't know if this thing's gonna go through. That oil pump, I'm kind of scared because I didn't find the. Now that I'm thinking about it, well, I gotta think about this through, because it was on the side that they have the to put the thing. Oh God! And I mount everything nice and neat. Do you imagine? I gotta take everything off again and put it back on again. If not, we just lost that engine completely. I hope that big number doesn't have a so I can have to put that the oil pump on time. If not, I'm gonna go crazy. Imagine cracking in the engine and go like bloom, bang, bang, broken, man. Now I gotta check on the big number. Now I gotta check, but I checked everything. I know, but I should have just checked the size. I did check the size. Did I check the size? I gotta check that out. Let's go and see what Walmart have for me. Oh, but I still have time to remove the pen and check it out. I still have time, so it's nothing out of a big deal. So come to Walmart. Está loco. Ahora mismo como esa mujer está lleno. Okay. Got my wallet in. Shut this stuff. It's in. All right. Vamos a ver qué tiene Let me llamar a la esposa a ver si. Boom. All right. Vamos 29 to 27. I like that 27 deal thing. But I gotta see what's best for the car. Mira, 25 dollars. Ooh, sounds beautiful. I like that. I will do something cheap first. So let me see what can I do now. And then I gotta get for the filter. So let me put my phone on the side for a second. Let's try to just dig in what would I need. 1 second, guys.